Oh, this is very exciting, just come into stock. It's a Willerby New Horizon. So 37 by 12, pre-owned holiday home. And at this price, on this 5-star park, I think you're going to need to be quick. It's lovely, large, comfy seating area. Nice compact kitchen, but with plenty of cupboard space and everything you'd need. Fridge, freezer, cooker, gas hob, dining table, seating for 4, a glass of wine there, ready for your arrival. Nice. Down on the left we have a nice comfy twin room, and then shower room. And at the end of the hallway, a really lovely, light, airy master bedroom, which has the ensuite toilet. So super holiday home, just come in, probably won't hang around long. As I say, it's a 5-star park here at Pearl Lake. You can come and enjoy beautiful walks, lovely surrounding area, plus on park we have the golf, we have our own restaurant, bistro, bar. So if you'd like to come and have a look at this holiday home or any of our others, we're always delighted to see people, so just call in 7 days a week and we look forward to meeting you very, very soon. Thank you.